Tonight we're having a party here on East 10th Street in New York City at one of my favorite shops, Nickey Kehoe. We're celebrating because they're going to be selling my watercolors. Let me show you this beautiful spot. The store is housed in an actual townhouse and occupies 2 floors of the townhouse. And the interior of the townhouse has really been maintained. So not only do you get to see all these beautiful things that are for sale, but you get to see what the inside of a late 1800s townhouse looks like, with all the ornate molding and the large mirrors in the parlor. It's like a historic site as well as a shop. So this is the main entrance, but you can also enter through here. This is the entrance to Nickey Kehoe household, which are all the kitchen things and bathroom things. Let's just go in through here. And when I said it felt like a museum, it's like this is what I first encountered when I came in here. Every little thing is chosen and curated so carefully. I just needed to be a part of it, and I'm so honored that I am now. One of the things that got me so excited when I first came to the store was seeing so many of the brands I love all together under one roof. Obscure things that I would previously have to source from all over the world, like these products from Santa Maria Novella Pharmacia in Florence. It was just an indication that the owners and I have the same taste. Fun fact, Nickey Kehoe recently started selling flower pots made by Guy and Erica in Connecticut, and I happened to be there when the 2 of them were making some of these pots. The event took place upstairs, and everyone goes upstairs through this narrow staircase, beautifully wallpapered, that leads into a little kitchenette area that they have also curated so beautifully. Every square inch of this space is immaculate and beautiful. From this little kitchen space, you go into the main level of the townhouse, into the parlor, which is just stunning.
Whenever I host an event like this, I do feel like I would like to give something to the attendees, something they can take away in their minds after the evening is over. So I gave a little talk, which was very meaningful. I brought my sketchbooks with me for everyone to have a look at. It was a fantastic evening, and I would like to thank everyone that made the effort to come. I would also like to thank Nickey Kehoe for hosting, putting on such a wonderful spread of food and drinks, and allowing us to use your beautiful space. I'm so honored to have my work in their shop. Good night.